and welcome to Clinical Research and Tea with Jet. Did you know that something as simple as your bowl of rice could contain a toxic heavy metal? Arsenic, a known carcinogen, is commonly found in rice and has been linked to brain development issues in children, as well as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes in adults. A recent investigation tested 145 rice samples bought online and from stores like Trader Joe's, Costco, and Safeway. The rice came from all over: California, the southern U.S., Italy, Thailand, and more. Researchers also tested other grains like quinoa, farro, couscous, and spelt for heavy metal contamination. Brown rice consistently showed higher arsenic levels than white rice. Why? It retains its outer layers, the bran and germ, where arsenic tends to accumulate. Rice from Italy and the southern U.S. had the highest levels. In contrast, jasmine rice from Thailand, basmati from India, and California-grown rice had the lowest. Rice naturally absorbs more arsenic than most crops because it's typically grown in flooded paddies. These conditions make it easier for arsenic in soil and water to enter the plant, and sadly, there is no known safe level of arsenic exposure, especially for babies, children, and pregnant women. In babies and young children, arsenic exposure has been linked to impaired brain development, lower growth rates, and even higher risk of preterm birth and stillbirth. In adults, long-term exposure can increase risks for cancers, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Here's how to protect your family and yourself. Vary your grains. Try oats, quinoa, barley, or millet. These have much lower arsenic levels. Cook rice like pasta. Boil in 6 to 10 cups of water per cup of rice. Then drain. This can cut arsenic levels up to 60%. Soak your rice. Let it sit in water for 30 minutes to overnight before cooking. Then finally, test your tap water, especially if you use a private well. Standard filters like Brita don't remove arsenic, but reverse osmosis filters can. Rice can still be part of a healthy diet, but knowing how to choose and prepare it is key. Share this video to spread the word, especially to parents and caregivers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more evidence-based health insights. Until next time, stay safe and stay curious with Clinical Research and Tea with Jet. Until the next time, please have a cup of tea for me.
Feel alive.